This is the brushing head off that ASV Terex, and this hub broke out of there. I shouldn't have touched that, but I guess it's cool. So I started welding it, and we got interrupted, or I got interrupted. Dad and I are here. Anyway, trying to fix this. So this is the bottom of the brusher, and these knives just rotate around. This is what I welded, was on the other side of this. These blades just pivot on there, that thing spins around. It's got a little hydraulic motor here with a little thing that transfers the rotation from this way to this way. Just a simple little hydraulic setup with some bracing and a push bar. He's running this brushing head off a PT60 Terex machine, and it's got a little diesel powered Perkins diesel engine in it. Look how small that turbo is. So we got him all put back together, welded up, put back together, got him fueled up. He's gonna go brush a little pasture. It looks like this is what Dad's already done. You can see the brush in the distance. And there's the horses. Too fussy. If they'd eat everything, you wouldn't have to do this, huh? You can just motor right along. I think he should rev it up a little more and chop the brush a little better. But Dad likes to run stuff a little slower, be a little more careful. But with this type of stuff, I think you gotta run a little faster. And look who's coming to visit. Yeah, a lot of stuff growing out here that needs to be gotten back under control. Oh, you got flies all over you. You guys are interrupting my... Oh, hey! Hey! Rotten horses. Glad I got that on video, huh? Let's see how it does on that little clump. Hard to tell if it stopped chopping or... Yeah, I just don't... I think he needs to rev that up more, because it didn't completely chop down this. But of course his blades are pretty dull from hitting a lot of rocks. I'm trying to prep this panel on the red pickup. I was told to use this, well, 40 to 80 grit. This is like 80 grit. And when I welded this in here, I just spot. You can just see spot. I rotated around and around and around as to disperse the heat, and then it, well, welding just kind of pulled it in too. But I just prepped it. Well, John borrowed me this long sander. I think we got like 36 grit on it, and that's what it did. It really scratched it up. That's what apparently we need, 40 to 80 grit to really get it rough so the body filler will adhere. Whipped up a little batch of the Kevlar fiberglass. I suppose I should go get that stuff and show you. This is what I'm using. FiberTech Reinforced Repair Compound Filler. It isn't just ordinary body filler, it's way more. It's supposed to have Kevlar and fiberglass in it, so it's supposed to be a lot stronger for adding panels in like I'm doing. So I put my first layer of body filler on it, and yeah, I didn't do a very good job, so I sanded it down with that thing, and then I even went over it with the old DeWalt with the sanding disc on it to try to get, because it's concaved in there. See my black and blue fingernail? But I'm gonna have to go back over this probably a couple times, knowing me. I guess I'm getting a little bit closer. They're still dented. If you look down the body, it needs a little, she's still got a little concave to her. There's another layer. Purple. Vikings. Skull. I switched to regular body filler because the Kevlar fiberglass reinforced stuff is, that stuff is tough. Gets really hard. Really good stuff when it's set up. So I switched to this for the fine tuning. We'll see if it works. I think I'm gonna have to call it a day, or a week, I should say. Yeah, it's getting better, getting closer, but I have a ways to go. I didn't work on the verticals very much, and I don't know if you can tell how straight it is or not how straight it is. But I haven't seen my family in 5 days. They've been gone on a little trip, so I'm kind of looking forward to seeing them when I get home. So, everybody, have a great weekend or a great day or whatever day I release this on, and thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day, have a great weekend, all the above. Try to live the life of a horse. Just stand around and look pretty, huh?